What's up, ordinary car guys, and welcome to the channel. Today we're working on my dad's 2003 Dodge Dakota. Right now we're having an issue where it's overheating at idle. So we're going to go ahead and try to replace the clutch for the fan. So this right here is all the tools we'll need for this. We're going to use a crescent wrench. It's a 12-inch, so it's big enough to get on the nut on the back of the pulley, or on the back of the clutch. And this is a heavy-duty clutch that we'll be using. Then we have channel locks, which we'll use to hold the pulley that the clutch is attached to. We have a 1/2-inch wrench. Then we also have a pipe to use on the crescent wrench for leverage, just in case we need it. Not sure if we will or not yet, but we have it just in case. So it's always a good idea to have something for leverage, just in case you need it. So we'll hop right into it. So now we're going to try to do this without having to take off the serpentine belt or the radiator shroud, just to do it the most minimally invasive as possible. So what we're going to do in order to get a good grip on this nut and keep the engine from turning, we're using the channel locks to grab the pulley that the fan is on. And then we'll just take our crescent wrench, slide it on there. All right, we got it on there. And then now we'll just take it, and this is not reverse thread or anything. So we'll just hold tight with the channel locks and then take.
As you can see, the fan blades themselves have one spot in them with a bigger gap than anywhere else. You can turn that up to where you have room to work.
So now that we have the crescent wrench on there and the channel locks tight on that pulley, we're just going to give it a turn counterclockwise, that way, so towards the left, facing the front of the truck. And there we go. So that wasn't on there too tight. Don't know if that's a major issue or not. We'll make sure we're good on this next one. But that's it. Now we'll just be able to unthread this. And you may have a little deal trying to slide the fan and everything out this way, but I think it should be able to fit. And then we'll go from there. So now that we have the old fan off, we're just going to take our half, and we just have 4 bolts in the back of this that hold the fan to the clutch.
Your knuckles.
So now that we have these loose, we'll just take these off, throw them on our new fan, bolt them back in, and we'll be ready to reinstall it. So now that we have the fan with the new clutch on it, and we have it we don't have it completely tight yet, we just have it threaded on. So now we're just going to do the same exact thing we did taking it off to put it back on, tighten it down, get it really snug, and we'll be done. So then after that, we can just test it to see if that was our problem. And if it's not, then we have a new fan clutch. And now we have it tight. So what we'll do now, just to test to see if everything works, is we're just going to start the truck up, let it idle for a bit, and see what happens. So that'll be it for this one, guys. It's a really simple job. Probably took us, what, 30 minutes to do. Nothing too difficult. Just some simple tools to get, and that'll be it. So thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.